Yeah, I pulled this chunk of wood out of the old wood pile. It's a piece of live oak. Developed a pretty big crack, so I went ahead and filled it with epoxy and used a purple mica powder for coloring. Looks really nice. I'm using my roughing gouge to remove what bark there is on this wood. Also, I've noticed that the wood is extremely punky and it's creating a lot of wood dust. Totally a drag. For this project, I'm going to be using 4 types of cutting tools: the square carbide, the round tip carbide, the roughing gouge, and the flat scraper. I'll finish this off with a flat scraper. Gives me a nice finish, makes it easier to sand. The wood is still really punky. I'm going to have to make this bowl a lot smaller than I wanted to. Kind of sucks, but I really don't have a choice. I normally start off with an 80 grit paper. Today I'm going to be starting off with 150. I'll take it to 220, 320, 400, and then finish off with 6. And that's only because of the epoxy. I enjoy this part the most because of the fact that it lets me know that I'm almost done. This piece, so far, everything seems to be going fairly well with the exception of the wood punking. But other than that, I think I'm going to end up with a really nice little project. At this point, I'm going to be adding a very thin coat of pure walnut oil just to protect the wood. I'll apply the walnut oil to the inside and the outside of this small bowl. Once it dries, I'm going to rub the piece out with PETA's fine grit polishing compound. So 2 hours later, I'm now applying the PETA's fine grit polishing compound, almost to the end of this project. So this is the end result of today's project. I'm really happy with the way it came out. The purple looks really cool with the wood. The shape is really nice. The finish came out really nice, even though there's still a lot of punking in the wood. Yeah, I'm really happy with the way this worked out. If you folks made it this far into the video, I totally appreciate the support. And as always, thanks for watching.